Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious red velvet cookies stuffed with a cream cheese filling. To get started, add 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese to a bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Give it a mix, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and half a cup of icing sugar. I'm doing this by hand, but you can use a mixer if it makes it easier for you. Use a 1.5 inch scoop to portion out 12 balls onto a tray or plate lined with parchment. Place in the freezer for 1 hour. To make the cookie dough, in the stand mixer bowl add half a cup of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar. Whip on high speed for 5 minutes, scraping down the sides as you go to make sure everything gets mixed evenly. Add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then whip on high speed for 5 more minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of red food coloring and mix until there are no more white streaks. For the dry mix, we need 1¼ cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Give everything a quick stir before adding it to the mixer. Now add a little at a time so you don't make a mess. And don't say I didn't warn you. As soon as it's incorporated, stop the mixer. Give it one final mix to make sure the dough on the bottom of the bowl is incorporated. Use a 2-inch scoop to portion the cookie dough into 12 balls. Take the cream cheese mixture from the freezer. Flatten the cookie dough and add the cream cheese ball to the middle and form the cookie dough around the cream cheese. Roll in your hands to make a smooth ball. Do this for all 12. Chill the cookies for at least 1 hour before baking. Once chilled, set the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes. Let cool completely and store in the refrigerator once fully cooled. Try them slightly warm too. The cream cheese is nice and gooey. Seriously, one of the best cookies I've ever had, and I've made hundreds of different cookies. But I am a huge fan of cream cheese, so I'd love anything made with it. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!